right? But especially if we start stepping behind his leg, he's re-stepping, okay? Grasp it. I'm just pivoting as I step. He's stepping over, right? So as I'm kind of fighting in here, and he doesn't even have to step that much, right? He just out steps right there. Pivot. Pivot. I'm trying to get my butt to this. Just a little back step. Kind of dig it in here. Big drop into the single there. Right? We single leg up. I'm in. Back step. Back step like I'm twisting my foot. Okay? Just something to kind of play with. You don't have to even load it up where his feet are flying over. I can stack it. Just kind of whip it too. Okay? Control wrist, arm on the back side. Alright, this comes up. Alright, boom. Kind of get my foot between their legs, kind of deep. As I rotate, it loads them up. Comes down. Okay? Something to think about, play with. 3, 2, 1.